Godver. Tome. What did you say?
Look at you thinking you could live without him, now look at you living. Look at you doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your head just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga.
Hey babies, I'm back on a video, and today's video is going to be the monkey app, but it's not going to be the same thing everybody be doing. It's going to be like, so I'm gonna do my makeup ugly, and then I'm going and everybody gotta rate me 1 to 10. So don't mind how I look. I just come from bathing and washing my hair, so I just did this real quick. So before I start this video, like, comment, subscribe. You don't know all that good stuff. And the winner of this giveaway is Brianna Samuel 394 on Snap. She basically wanted the hair because she said somebody in her school is being bullied about her hair and what's not. She felt bad and she wants to give it to her, and I felt like that was very genuine of her, so she won. Congratulations to you, baby girl. I hope the person enjoys it as much as you or anyone else will. So yeah, so let me get started. Okay, so put on concealer as a foundation. Bro, I'm about to mess up my skin, bro. This ain't even my skin color. That's the crazy part. Oh my god. Anyways, so we're gonna ignore that happened just now. I don't have a lot, bro. It's gonna work out, don't worry. Yes, bro. I think this is gonna be the first time I ever look good in my life. Like, yes. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, so so now we're gonna do my eyebrows, cause we need it to look good. Like, our makeup gonna look good, like perfect. Okay, now I want some eyeshadow. Should I put on some? Yeah, I'm gonna put on some blue eyeshadow. Yes. Look like I need to stop putting makeup like this. Yes, this is the color. Okay, so everybody doing the makeup, and I'm gonna do my hair too, cause my hair already look a mess. So I'm gonna make it look even more as a mess, cause you know. So I feel like I'm going natural, guys. Don't watch that. Okay, so we're about to get into this. I didn't even feel scared, nothing. Like, about to do this because I know I'm fine no matter what anybody say. I'm fine, okay? Period. We're about to get it started, cause like I'm so ready for this. Like, okay, we're about to do this. So I'm so hyped for this. Hi. Okay, so I want to ask you a question. Do I look good? Like, rate me 1 to 10. Oh my god, my hair came out. Okay, I think this is a better look, I guess. Wait, no. Hold up. Oh yes, this is way better. And then, oh yeah, this is way better. Like, hi.
Yes. Wat valt er op? Sponsor. What? Oh, Nigeria. Bye.
Bro, they need to answer my question. They just low fade. Bro, everybody's skipping me. Like, what are they doing? They're telling somebody else. Are you seeing this? Everybody's skipping me. Oh no, they can't be doing me that. Hi. Hi, I have a question. I do this new makeup look, and I want to ask you a question. Rate me 1 to 10. What would you rate me?
Yeah, good makeup. Good makeup.
Aww, like answer the question. And I look fine. Do I? Like, I don't look that bad, right?
Gin is blonde. Ow! Dahil ko isa shoot. Oh my God, so sexy! You're so sexy!
Hi, thank you. I have a question. If you could rate me 1
How
to...
old are you?
I am 18 years old. You like my new makeup look?
It's not moist, it's not graceful.
You don't like it?
I like you without the makeup.
Okay, so I have a question. But if you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Sure. Relax. Speak relax. Yeah, show me something.
No, bye. He said relax. Stop it. Hi.
You're so sexy. I love you.
You love me? Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god.
love you.
Shh. Hi.
From you. Oh shit, you're so fucking ugly. I'm gonna report you for being too ugly.
Why would you do that?
Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
First off, don't come for me like that. I'm fine. Hi. I got a question. I got a question though. Okay, well don't answer my question. Like nobody want to answer my question. These people is bad for Hi. I got a question. Oh yeah. Bro, nobody will answer my question. Bro, I'm getting mad. I'm getting super duper mad, bro. Like, you wanna know why I get mad, dog? You wanna know why I get mad? Because nobody wanna answer my question. They just head laughing and they making me laugh, bro. Like, I used to type of prostitute. Bro, this is just cute. Like, people around here dangerous. Oh shoot. Hi. So I got a question. If I got a question, if you could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate my makeup? Okay. Okay. Hi. I want to know how my makeup look.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. You're so nice. You're so nice. You nice little girl. You nice little girl. She's so nice. Bro, nobody want take me, dude. Hi.
What the fuck?
I have a question. If you could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
25.
A 25? Okay, thank you. Hi.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Oh my God, thank you. You're so
Oh my
nice.
God. Can I have your number? Put time directly. Come on.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so amazing this year.
Thank you. If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it? Did you freeze or it's just me? Bye, man. Bye. No, this one look cute. I feel embarrassed. Hi. I got a question. You like my new makeup? You don't like it?
What?
You like my new makeup look? Huh?
Time.
I did. You like my new makeup look?
Yes.
It look good?
Yes, it looks good.
Thank you. If you could rate it 1 to 10, what would you
What?
rate it?
Yes.
A what? Bro, you know what you're saying, dog? Yo, I saying yes. I said 1 to 10 and you saying yes. A 8? Okay, thank you.
I said,
Bro, they love it. I know I was just joking with me, dog. Hi.
hi, you are so beautiful today.
Thank
Wow.
you.
I want to transfer. Why? Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. I have a question. If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Wow, you are so beautiful.
That's not the question I asked, though.
You are so beautiful, really.
Thank you.
What you say?
If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it? How would I could just do that to me? Bro, I have no lips. Look at this, dude. I have no lips. Where's my lips? Bro. Hi.
Yo.
If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it? I'm looking fine at time.
What?
What you just said?
I'm gonna give you a 10.
A 10? Oh my god, you're so... I'm getting upset because nobody wants to answer me. Everybody's just laughing. I need some blush. Yeah, this is the blush. Hi.
Hello.
You like
Hi.
you like my makeup?
You look like it, the clown.
That was not my... You don't like my makeup?
No, not really.
So I
I
have...
like your natural face. I like your natural face. You look like... Yeah.
I
I
look
don't know. I don't know what to say.
If you could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Without the makeup, probably an 8 or a 9. But with the makeup, you make me very disorientated or something.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi. Screenshot.
I got a question. If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
You're going on Snapchat.
That's okay. I don't really care, to be honest. Question. This is a YouTube channel. That's why I'm asking you. How do I look? You like it?
Yes, it's amazing. Amazing. So good.
Thank you. Thank you
Where
so
do you
much.
go on the park club?
What do you say?
Do you go to a park? You go to a club?
No. Where are you from?
You can go outside with this makeup. It's amazing.
I know, right? Bet. I'm about to do that.
It's really good. It's all good on beauty, right? How you do this? I want to learn it too.
Yo, this is not how I really look. Hi.
Wow, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If you could...
I like the thing when you're...
My eyebrows are I thank you. You see how it matched my skin?
Yeah, you look pretty. How old are you?
I'm 18. If you could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
20.
Oh my god, thank you. You're so nice. Add me as a friend to see how I really look.
What?
Add me as a friend to see how I really look.
Oh, okay. It's no problem. You're good. It's all about the inside.
Forever. Thank you. Again, I kind of hi. If you, what you laughing? If you could rate, me, never mind, cause you. Hi.
What the fuck is this? Get the fuck out of here, man.
No.
Ugly ass nigga, man. You're gay, bitch.
They're so mean to me, like, bro, they can't even hype up my makeup. Hi. Thank you. If you could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me? Okay, bye. Hi. If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
What?
If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
I will give you -8.
I don't know why I even press time. You ugly anyways. Bye. They're just so mean. Like, they can't even hype me up. Hi. That's what you do. That's what you do with your little boyfriend or whatever on the side. I know. Yeah, that's what you do with your little boyfriend on the side. You nasty, my son. Nasty. Shake my head, buddy. Hi.
What is the challenge?
Yeah. If you could rate my makeup... Okay, bye. Because nobody talking to me. Hi.
Your makeup, girl.
If you could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I would rate you.
Thank you.
Let me say, I would rate you a 9 because you're the one I need.
Thank you. Oh my god, you're so nice.
Now put on your makeup properly.
People are head dirty. Hi.
Oh my god.
Hi, Spider-Man. I could be your Spider-Woman.
Hi, Spider-Man. Oh la la.
Oh my god, he's so nice. He's so nice. Hi.
Nigga, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. The money.
That's not money, my nigga. That's not money. Hi.
Fuck.
You like my makeup?
Yes, you gotta kick so.
Hi.
Oh, you're so pretty, fucking pretty as fuck.
Thank you.
Oh my fuck. Can you date this guy? He's 21, please. Damn, girl. Damn.
Thank you. You guys are so nice. If you guys could rate me 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Look, I get doing all. Please.
Bro. Hi.
Godverdomme.
If you could rate my makeup 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
What did you say?
Bro, that was funny. That was dude, my face, my head. Hi.
Oh my fuck. Oh my, you scared the shit out of me.
If you could rate me 1 to 10,
But you still look cute.
huh?
You still look cute though.
Thank you. You're so nice.
You still look. You look. I mean, not. I mean, if you would, you know, take that off, maybe you would.
I didn't need your input. Okay, bye. I hit this up. Bye. This app is annoying and it's boring, and I'm about to end this video because all they're doing is laughing. They're not talking, they're not interacting with me. So I'm about to end this live. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I look beautiful. Don't even need to tell me. You guys don't even need to tell me. I know I'm beautiful, period, point blank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Black John got it. Black John got it.